Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at your battle pass. So let's get started. Your second tab will say battle pass, and then from here just go into battle pass rewards. Now here is page 10. Obviously I got everything page 9, and obviously I got everything from every single page. So right now I can finally go down to page 10, and in order to unlock all of this, I do need enough battle stars. So right now I do have 59 battle stars, so I can go on and to claim everything like I always do. So I'm gonna go ahead and claim all rewards, and here we go. So we're gonna equip, we're gonna get some V-Bucks, we're also gonna equip, get more V-Bucks, equip this for sure, equip this guy, and the backbling. Well, the backbling I'm not a fan of, so I'm just gonna claim it and not equip it. And there we go. So this is the last page. So after this, all we can go is to bonus rewards, which I could start doing right away because I do have enough. So usually you couldn't claim any bonus rewards unless you had enough stuff claimed from your base rewards, which we just did. I just did all of them, so that's why I can move on here. However, I don't have enough battle stars. I could just claim this. I could just claim this as well as a banner icon, and I'm actually gonna do that right now. Although I like to claim the whole thing all at once, but this one I'm just gonna go on and just claim this. Don't have more battle stars, but that's it. So that would be page 10. And there we go. Anyways, that would be it for that video.